Hello guys, this is Gaurav and welcome back to my channel Gaurav's Art and Craft World. Friends, in the last video I have shown the clay work, so if you haven't seen the first video then please go and check out the video. For the materials details, please check the description box below. I have also provided the links of my social media accounts, so if you have any queries then you can directly ask me there. So friends, without wasting any more time, let's start coloring the clay work. At first, take burnt sienna and dark chrome yellow, mix them properly and color only the Buddha except the snails on his head. After completing this, let it dry. Now take crimson and color the background only around the Buddha. Now take burnt umber and in this way apply the paint on his face, ears and neck. After that, wipe the excess paint by using a dry tissue paper. In this way, the paint will only remain in the deeper gaps and the top surfaces will be paint free. Now take black and color the snails on his head and also the designs around him. Now take medium purple, pink and white, mix them properly and color the lotus and the birds. After that, take sap green and color the stems and the leaves of lotus and the peepal tree. Now again take crimson and color the whole background with that. Now take medium purple, pink, white and Prussian blue, mix them properly and create some details to the lotus and its birds. Now take light green and highlight the stems of the lotus by using a small brush. Now take light green by using a sponge and highlight the leaves in this way by simply tapping it. After completing this, I'm going to start highlighting this with metallic colors. At first, take metallic copper and highlight the snails on the Buddha's head. Now take metallic gold and highlight the designs around him. Here I'm going to give 2 layers of metallic gold. Now take metallic bronze and highlight his face, ears and neck. Now again take metallic gold and highlight the lotus and its buds. Now finally, for the last finishing, take metallic gold by using a sponge and highlight the whole Buddha part. So friends, our Buddha clay mural painting has completed and this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. So friends, try to make it yourself and don't forget to show me your clay work on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.